Hey guys, in this tutorial we are building this animation. As you can see, it looks really nice. We're going to use GSAP for this animation and only two methods of GSAP, from and to. So let's get started. First of all, let's create a new folder called Awesome Animation. Let's open it with VS Code. Let's create our index.html file, our style.css file. Now in the HTML file, let's create our initial boilerplate. We're going to call it Awesome Animation. Now let's import the GSAP CDN. Search on Google GSAP CDN. You will find this link on CDN.js. We will use, copy this script tag and go to your file and paste it and save it. Now let's create our body and style it. First, let's create a title. We will call it Awesome in all caps and a progress div with a class progress, and we will use this div to create our progress bar that you are seeing and expand it. Let's go to our style.css. Before that, let's link the style.css. Link style.css. Now select the body, margin 0, height to 100 viewport height, background to this color 003C43. It is a dark green color. You can choose any color you want. Select the color to FFF or white. Now let's select the H1 font family to Babas New, which we can import from Google Fonts, fonts.google.com. Babas actually, not Babas. Let's get the font, get embed code, import, copy this import and paste it here. Let's change this to Babas. Font size, let's set it to 30 rem. Text align to center, opacity 0.1, margin 8% on the top, 0, 0 and 0 for all three sides. After that, let's select the progress div and give it a background color of #77B0AA, height to 3 pixel. Initially we will expand it to take the full screen, width to 0, position absolute, top 50%. Let's see how it looks. We need to start our live server, and this is how it looks, plain and simple. Now let's go to our index.html, and after this CDN of the script of the GSAP, you need to create our script where we will play with our GSAP to create that cool animation. Now let's write GSAP.to method. We will work with the progress bar first. Progress comma, create an object. Let's expand the width to 100%. Let's see how it looks. You see, you can play with the duration as well, if it's too fast or slow. Duration to 2 seconds. Now it will go slower. I think the default is 1 second. It looks good. Okay, now let's work on our title. GSAP dot. We'll use from method here. We'll select the h1. Let's select the y2 minus 200 and select the duration to 2 and see how it looks. See how it just goes to initial position to bottom minus 200 pixels. We'll also set an ease method. These are like how the effect is going to look. There are plenty of them. We will use elastic.out 0.3. Let's see. See, it just bounces like an elastic. Nice. Now we need to grow our progress bar to take up the full screen. Let's see how we can create that. We'll need to use the to method as well, and let's set it gsap.to. Select the progress, open up an object. First let's set the duration to 1 second, height to 100%, top 0, background color to white, ease power 1 dot in out, and delay 2 seconds. Let's see. There you go. It just expands. So as you can see, you can use really cool animation using this from to method by using simple lines like this, and you can set different types of ease in methods and see if you can make something cool like this or maybe better. Thanks for watching. See you soon.